Yo, what's going on, guys? Andy here, back again, once again with another video. What a good day today was, man. This price action is crazy. For a Monday, it's wild, right? And I'm really glad that I have some funded accounts to take advantage of it because, when I'd be in the boom and bust cycle, you know what I mean? Sure you guys have heard of it. Uh, you know, I'd have fundeds. I'd blow it up, and I'd have evals, and I'd be catching these moves on evals, and I'd be mad at myself because I was impatient the day before, you know. But man, am I happy to have like funded accounts, 8 funded accounts to catch these moves on, you know. So let's go ahead and go over take profit. Um, so yeah, building the balance up. I'm just trying to pass these as fast as possible. So I went in with 5 cons on a really good area off the break of this 21 EMA here. We closed, and so I sold right here, and then aimed for 13 points. It was 12 points. Yeah, I needed like 12 points, $1,200 because I was down 300. Aim for 1,200 profit. I could have gone for more, but I could have gone for like 5 points more. But I had the sell already there, so just got out with $1,000. So another day, and these accounts are passed. 2 more accounts are passed. Um, and then I just have to flip for the remainder 3 days, and I'd have funded accounts there. And then I secured one more trading day on the other 3 accounts. So these are all going to be funded tomorrow or turned into funded accounts tomorrow. So that's really good. Um, so yeah, take profits looking good. Just like 1,100 away from passing there. And my funded futures, I caught like a really good trade off of the market open, pretty much. Not the open, but over here. Um, so yeah, uh, yesterday or today, basically, or yesterday is Sunday, yeah. So traded, yeah. So whatever, pre-market, right? Um, yeah, I saw us like bounce off this, 440s level, and I just thought it'd be a pretty good buy, So I just bought, and immediately we got a, you know, uh, whatever point candle, a 16-point candle, and got 10 points of it, and locked myself out. The other reason was I've been playing around with Fibonacci extensions, and I had that on the chart, so that was another confluence as to why I took that trade. So let's go here. Um, I clicked my like video editor. I hope it doesn't open up. So let's see. Oh, there we go. So I've been playing with the Fibonacci extensions, right? Let's take a look at this shit. Take a look at this. So it worked kind of nicely a couple times. I've noticed. I'm gonna try and use it more. So we saw an impulse move. Okay. So I'm gonna. I think I used. I don't know if I used this or this. We'll try. I think I used this. So you see an impulse move, right? And then you want to see where like potential reversal spots could be, So it's like the opposite of like a Fibonacci like retracement, I guess. Like how far a price could go, right? So let's see. Not that one. This one. So you go here, then you go to the bottom of the move, and then you go up here. So that wasn't the area, so it was this one. See? Over here. So, I had this mapped out. I was like, okay, impulse move down. We have a retracement up. So it's the same, like that high right there, right? And, and then you can find out areas like, where you could get a bounce back, and look at this level. It like held up for a good bit here for like 30 minutes here. So I caught the first wind of it pretty much, waited, and then got the bounce up 10 points, and that was that. Pretty good entry on the close there. Secured 10 points, locked myself out. Or I have the daily profit trigger on, so it just auto locks. So yeah, my funded futures accounts doing really well as well. On the 4th winning day, so tomorrow is going to be the 5th. This account's going to be at 51,000. Confident I'm going to be able to catch 10 points. Been only playing with a mini. Well, the mini is the maximum right now because of the trading, because of the scaling rule. So yeah, on 4 days, I'm not going to trade like more than a mini on this until I get like 2,000 profit. Once I get to like 2K, I'm gonna up it to like 1.5 minis. So 15 micros on each of these accounts. So that's what I'm gonna be doing there. And on the top step, I got one really good trade. This high right here. I've been waiting for the. You guys wouldn't believe it, right? This is like 2 o'clock or something, okay? And I see price all the way up here. And I'm like so wanting to just place a limit buy here at VWAP, right? We've been like respecting it so well. The rejections and the hold here, and I was just so wanting to um, you know uh, to place a buy limit there, limit buy there. I could have wrote it up like crazy, you know what I mean? And it held up again so perfectly. So I really wanted to do that, but I kind of pussied out a bit. I didn't do it. And then I saw this long opportunity here, and I was scared to take it, unfortunately. So, even if I played the initial one or the first one, like look at the first one, you know, the candle opened up here. We went all the way down, touched VWAP, bounced back up. Like what? Like almost 90 points. That's 90 points right there. I was playing with two minis, $3,600 right there. But that's not what I did. I waited. I waited for the orb to happen, and then this happened again, but I didn't take it again. I just waited for this this area to be rated, which it did, and then I knew it wasn't just going to stop at 600, so I waited again, and then I got in shorts, and I caught like 15, 16 points, and I was locked out. I locked myself out hella fast. But yeah, there's another sell opportunity coming up here, at VWAP, so this would be a good area as well. I just want to build a balance on these. I'm up to $1,000. Isn't that crazy? Just a little bit more, and I can take out a big payout yet again. So let's go to my trading journal. I have it updated here. So yeah, these are my balances, and I'm going to be right now the payout's looking. It's going to be around 3K. With 2 more winning days, it's going to be around 3K. See, so $3,800. So if I do 200 winning days again, that'll be a $3,800 payout. That's not what we're going to do, obviously. I'm going to go for more bangers rest of the week, and then hopefully take out a nice fucking payout end of this week, because I want to leave a good buffer, like maybe, like I'm being pretty, hopeful here, but like a 4K balance by the end of this week or mid next week would be amazing to take out a $10,000 payout. That would be wild. I'd be ecstatic. And by that time I'll be payout ready on my funded futures, but obviously I couldn't take that yet because the drawdown, it resets. But so I need to wait a little bit longer here since I'm only going for $200. So I probably have to wait for another 7 days, 7 winning days here. So I can take it, and if I take out 1,200, even then that'd be leaving me with an $800 drawdown. So I might just take Top Step and take profit as my payout machines, and then just build this one up for the combined live account. So yeah, that's the goal. Once I get to 30 winning days, I'm at 4 right now. Once I get to 30 winning days, all these balances get combined. So I'll have a $7,500 static live account. So that's the goal with this one. So yeah, after I get to like maybe $3,000 profit, like total 53,000, I'll take out 1,000 from each, and I'll have a $2,000 buffer. That'd be amazing. So still have like a long ways to go for that, like 11 days, like 2 weeks. So mid May, I can have like a 3K payout from these accounts, and still be good for life. So yeah, that's the goal. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Did really well. Took the base hits pretty easily. Risked a lot on my take profits, but I really just want to pass these and take it slow once I do the once I get the funded. So I can have like 5 payouts from these accounts every single day. That'd be amazing for my mental. So it'll help me, like, tone it down on the others as well. You know, it's not like I'm, over like leveraging crazy on these, but I'm going for really small wins and locking myself out. But yeah, just overall it'd be really good. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you find this helpful. Thank you for the support and the subs and all that shit. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.